hard to find the expiration date. This fridge because I ordered Walmart delivery groceries. It should be here between 4 and 5. Lennox is sleeping right now, so I'm trying to do it before he wakes up and before it's time to go pick up Gio from school. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this clean with me for my fridge because it's looking a hot diggity dog a mess. This is fresh. Oh my god, the fridge is so annoying. We have some beers that people left at our house. 4 eggs. Couscous from last night. Mayonnaise. This is so good. This is so good. What's that? Like, no point. Even though, if you never tried this from Trader Joe's, I think this is from Trader Joe's, yeah. The Sriracha Ranch, it's so bomb. Classic Caesars, so good. Like why? Like why? This is my favorite. This mixed with this makes the best wing sauce. If you've never had it, please go try this. Gold's, Carolina Gold's, and mild hot wing sauce. Please do yourself a favor and go get you some. Okay. So I got vegetables and fruits, meats, breakfasts, quick things for the kids, popsicles, ices, acai, onion, sofrito, and frozen spinach for smoothies. God, my hair looks cray-cray. Alright, so the fridge is pretty much set. I'm gonna be waiting till the groceries come, and then I'll do a grocery haul, and then I'll put it all away. Alright, so the groceries are here. Let me open them up and then I'll share them with y'all. Why are you being shy? So I got everything out on the table. I was looking at my order to see if there was any substitutes, and there was one substitute, and I'm really annoyed because generally I would be okay with this, but I actually ordered Cliff Bar granola, but they gave me Cliff Bar energy bars. So if you never ordered Walmart grocery, whenever they substitute for you, they give it to you at the same price. So if the substitute costs more than what you ordered, you're just gonna get the lower price of whatever it is. So that granola was only $1, and these bars, six Cliff bars, is not $1. So, but the reason I'm annoyed is because I'm trying to do dairy free this month for 1 whole month, 30 days. So the Cliff Bar with white chocolate is not dairy free, so I won't be able to use that, but Anthony will appreciate it. So anyways, this month I'm trying to do dairy free, so you'll see some substitutes for dairy. We're gonna just try our best, guys. We're doing a little healthier this year. I can't, it's hard for me to cut out carbs. I do try, but I think dairy, I have never tried to remove dairy from my diet, so I want to start there, and that might help with also skin improvement, which is always a goal for me personally. Let's get started. Okay, so everything was from Walmart. I'll tell you the total at the end. Guess your totals down below. But so Anthony requested Gatorade. So he got the cool blue Gatorade. This is the almond milk creamer that I decided to go with. One thing about me is I don't really like almond creamers. To me, they're not the creamiest, like the creamiest, like they don't give me that creamy coffee that I really want. So hoping for this. I've never tried it. If you know a good dairy-free creamer, please leave it down below so I can try it. Almond milk, we always get the vanilla with less sugar. It's just something we like. This is for Lennox, some yogurt. He used that for breakfast. Anthony requested some sweet potatoes, so I got him 4 sweet potatoes. Pancake and sausage on a stick. This is good for breakfast for Lennox. I heat this up and then I cut it up real small and he eats this. Jill loves it too. Even my friends love it when I came over. Well, Ticia, not Alyssa, but she came over. She's like, I had to buy those for my house because I love them so much. Strawberries for all of us. I got some tomatoes. I want to do like a foil sheet of chicken and like a lot of veggies. Got blueberries. Those is good for yogurt and also for Lennox breakfast. I'm going to do a stir fry of sausage with vegetables. So I got squash and zucchini. I got onion for the flat sheet bake sheet thingy. 2 grapefruits. Got 2 grapefruits for myself. Some green pepper. Lemon for lemon water, always a necessity. This guy put my avocados with my kiwi, but I have avocado and kiwi. Jasmine rice for some meals this week. Here's my perfect bars. These were $6 for 4. I think there's 4 in here. Yeah. This one is the dark chocolate chip with peanut butter. Haven't tried that one yet. This is my favorite oatmeal of all time. It probably has a good amount of sugar in it. Where's the sugar? 11 grams. So yeah, it has a good amount of sugar, but I don't know, guys. This is my favorite oatmeal. It's so bomb. I don't know if it's the consistency of the chewy raisins and then the nuts. It's so good. If you never tried it, please try this with almond milk. Oh my god, it's so freaking bomb. It's like the best oatmeal ever. Then I get this one for the kids for either Gio or Lennox. Unsweetened applesauce. This is for on the go when we're running errands and I need a quick stack for Lennox. I always get pouches. Jill likes them as well. You know, banana. If you know me, you know bananas is my #1 favorite fruit. So I had to re-up. I haven't had bananas in so long. I feel like every grocery store has a version of this type of salad, but you know this is my favorite salad. It has no cheese in it. It comes with the almonds and wonton strips and the sesame ginger dressing. So I just add up chicken to that or even sausage and it's so good. This gives me 2 meals. And then I'm gonna make some pasta at some point this week for the kids. Jill's favorite meal is white rice and corned beef. If you're Hispanic, you already know. You either hate it or you love it. Jill loves it. This is the dairy-free option of cheese that I found at Walmart. I've never had it before. So wish me luck. I think the only issue is like their cheese doesn't melt. So let's hope that the cheese melts. Gio loves these for breakfast. He'll like it with a little bit of butter or cream cheese, some mini bagels. And this was the Cliff Bar that I told you. I got this whole thing for $1 because they substituted, but this is not what I wanted. I wanted granola to go on top of my yogurt. You'll see in a second. So Anthony, you got a nice snack for work. This is some hamburger buns because we're gonna make sloppy joes this week for the kids, well for us. So I got that. Anthony requested some salted almonds, so I got him that. Pasta, you know I need my coffee, absolutely must have. I got 2 packs of the chicken breast, so there. Anthony requested some lemon pepper seasoning for his chicken that he'll be making for himself. We love broccoli, we love greens. I get these steamed ones because they're cheap and they're easy and they're good to go. This is the sausage that I'm gonna make with this, veggies. I'm just gonna do like a little stir fry of veggies and sausage. Easy, nice, filling meal. You can put a lot of flavor with that. I get these sometimes pre-seasoned. I like these better at Publix and Aldi, but I've never tried Walmart, so I was like, let's give it a try. Garlic herb. It's already seasoned, so it's a quick meal. Anthony requested some boneless chicken breasts that were frozen so he can make bulk meals. This is some ground turkey that I got I'm gonna make sloppy joe with ground turkey, yes. And I just got another one for another easy dinner. This is Gio's yogurt. Everyone has their own yogurt in this house. This is Gio's yogurt. I got this salted caramel cluster dairy-free ice cream, so let's hope that I like it. Then we were running out of butter like you saw earlier, so I got its vegan butter. And then this is my yogurt alternative for this week, or this grocery should last me a week and a half. We'll see. So the total for all of this, let's see. So including delivery, that was my total. I have to go back in and give him a tip, but this was $164, and grocery delivery is $7.95. So it'll be another $10. So it'll be around $175 for all these groceries. Walmart pickup is free. So if you never try Walmart pickup, you can go onto the app, order your groceries. If it's over $30, it will be free. They will do your groceries for you. Just drive up to the number, and then you tell them what number you're parked at, and they will bring out your groceries. You sign for it, and it's free. That's one way that I minimize overspending on groceries, is when I do Walmart grocery or Walmart delivery. When the only reason I didn't do Walmart pickup today is because you need to do that in advance. So I wanted groceries same day. I had to do delivery, and the delivery cost $7.95 like you saw. Sometimes it could be $9.95 depending if they're busy. So it'll tell you at this time it'll be $7.95, at this time it'll be $9.95, you know. So you gotta just choose the time slots. Just, if you guys haven't tried it, try it. It's so worth it. It's so convenient, especially if you're a mom, because it takes like so much work out of grocery shopping. Oh my god, I hate grocery shopping. I hate grocery shopping, but then grocery shopping while dragging along two kids, it's hard because they're always asking for something. It takes much longer. I like to blame it all on them, but I just love this. You saw how he just dropped me my bags and kept it moving, and yes, so that's it. So let me put these groceries away before it gets bad. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.